Today we're going to go over how to replace a formatter board on a 4700 and the CP4005. On the back of the formatter board there's two white clips that you can pinch and lift, and they will rock and come out. To remove it, then you want to take the black tab on the bottom and lift and pull a little, and at the top push down and lift, and then you can see the whole board will slide out. Just pull the board straight out and place it down on the table. Part 2 of the video on how to replace the 4700 CP4005 series formatter board is exchanging the parts on the formatter board itself. One of the first parts here is the compact flash card. This actually contains the firmware for the printer. So when you get the new board, you have to take this part and move it over, and you have to make sure you use this first slot right here. This is the slot that's designated for the compact flash to ensure that it reboots properly. And then also there's normally a memory stick. There could be two, one here and here. The memory stick is replaced by pulling the sides out on the little metal flares. You can see it pops up. The memory chip then lifts out at about a 45-degree angle, and then likewise you just do the reverse. You insert it at about a 45-degree angle and then just push down dead from the center. You should hear it click to know that it locked into place. The third part of this video for the formatter for the 4700 and the CP4005 is reinserting. At the bottom of the frame you can see there is a slot there, and at the top there is a black slot. There's also an arrow on the frame that you can see that you can line the board up with. You just line the board up into the slot and then slide it forward until you hear a click, and that makes sure that these black pieces here are snapped into place. If you still have the white pieces available, you can snap these back into place. You just pinch and then drop them in. And once again, you pinch, slide it in, and then just let go. And they're kind of springy, so they'll just snap back into place. And then the board's back in place.